Starting over at 65, financial recovery after life changes. What if starting over at 65 could feel calm and manageable instead of scary and confusing? If divorce, medical bills, a job loss, or the loss of a partner disrupted your plans, you are not alone. In the next few minutes, I will give you a clear, step-by-step plan to stabilize your budget, reduce debt, rebuild savings, and regain confidence. Stay with me to the end for a simple 24-hour action plan that gets real momentum right away. Hello and welcome to Senior Smart Money. I am glad you are here. This channel is a gentle place for people in their 60s, 70s, and beyond. We focus on financial recovery, retirement income strategies, budgeting tools, fraud prevention, and easy technology tips. My promise today is simple language, calm pacing, and practical steps you can use immediately. Let us begin with a clean slate. Step 1, reset your numbers. A fresh start begins with a clear picture. Take one quiet hour and list your current monthly income and every essential expense. Income might include Social Security, a pension, part-time work, or small investment income. Expenses include housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, Medicare costs, medications, and phone or internet. Pull your last 2 or 3 bank statements to catch recurring charges like subscriptions or memberships you forgot about. Next, list assets and debts. Do you own a home or car? What is in savings or investments? What do you owe on credit cards, medical bills, or personal loans? If this feels heavy, do it in 2 short sessions and take a break. Clarity is power. A written snapshot becomes your map for debt relief and budgeting. To keep things simple, sort your plan into 4 buckets. Essentials like housing and food, health and safety like prescriptions and insurance, joy and connection like small outings or hobbies, future you like an emergency fund and a high-yield savings account or a short CD ladder. Seeing your money in these buckets reduces stress and guides smart choices. Step 2, trim costs without losing quality of life. Small changes across a few bills can free up $200 to $300 a month. Start with housing and utilities. If you have rooms you rarely use, consider downsizing to a smaller place that costs less to heat, cool, and maintain. If moving is not right for you, explore a trusted housemate or seasonal renter where local rules allow. Ask your city or county about senior property tax relief or discounts. On utilities, use simple energy efficiency moves. Set the thermostat a little smarter, fix water leaks, replace old bulbs with LED, and add weather strips where air escapes. Ask your utility about budget billing or senior discounts. Groceries are a big opportunity that does not require sacrifice. Build a list of 10 simple meals you enjoy and rotate them. Buy store brands for staples, choose frozen vegetables when fresh is expensive, portion protein and freeze it, and cook once for 2 meals. Use senior discount days if you like them, and consider community center meals for both nutrition and connection. Insurance and transportation also matter. If you now drive less, ask your auto insurer about low mileage pricing and safe driver programs. Compare home and auto insurance once a year. Group errands to cut fuel use and keep tires at the right pressure for safety and efficiency. Finally, make 2 quick calls. Call your internet provider and ask for a loyalty rate, a smaller speed tier that still streams, or removal of add-ons you never use. Call your mobile provider and switch to a senior plan with light data if you mostly use Wi-Fi. Many viewers save $20 to $40 per month on each of these calls. Step 3, manage debt and repair credit. High-interest debt is the loudest leak in the boat. List your debts by balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. Pay at least the minimum on every account, then send any extra dollars to the highest interest debt first. That is the Avalanche method. If motivation is hard, start with the smallest balance for a quick win, then roll that payment to the next debt. That is the Snowball method. Either is fine. Consistency is what matters. If you feel stuck, contact a reputable nonprofit credit counseling agency. They can review your budget, help you build a debt management plan, and negotiate lower interest rates with creditors. For medical bills, ask about financial assistance, check for errors, and request a no-interest payment plan. Avoid debt settlement ads that promise instant results for big upfront fees. Repair your credit with steady habits. Pay every bill on time. Keep balances low relative to your limits. Review your credit reports. dispute any errors, and consider a small secured card to rebuild history if needed. A better credit profile can lower insurance premiums and borrowing costs over time, which supports your financial recovery. Mid-video reminder. If this guide is helpful, please like this video so more seniors can find it, and subscribe to Seniors Smart Money for calm, practical tips each week. Thank you for supporting this community. Step 4. Add income the gentle way. Even a small side income can change the math. Think in terms of 8 to 10 hours a week that respect your energy. Ideas include tutoring, pet sitting, receptionist or greeter shifts, friendly phone support from home, seasonal retail, light bookkeeping, or selling a craft or skill. Hosting a long-term renter or an international student, where appropriate, can help with housing costs. Choose something you genuinely enjoy so it feels sustainable. Review retirement income strategies as well. If you have not claimed Social Security and can delay, a later start often increases your monthly benefit for life. If you already claim, check whether spousal or survivor benefits apply. In other countries, confirm you are receiving every pension credit and supplement you qualify for. Be cautious with annuities or complex products. If you consider them, use a trusted advisor who explains fees and guarantees in plain English. Step 5. Use government aid and community support. You spent a lifetime contributing to society. It is okay to accept help now. Look for government aid for seniors and local programs that reduce costs. Examples include low-income utility assistance, property tax relief, prescription savings programs, transit discounts, and food support. Many regions have senior health benefits or supplemental income options based on need. Community resources also make a difference. Senior centers, churches, and nonprofits often provide free counseling, benefits checkups, home safety repairs, or transportation for medical appointments. If asking for help feels difficult, remember this: reaching out is a sign of wisdom. People often want to help but do not know how until you ask. Stay alert to scams. Real programs do not charge large upfront fees. Use official websites and phone numbers. If anyone pressures you to act fast or pay by gift card, wire, or crypto, stop and check with a trusted person first. Step 6. Rebuild savings and protect your future. A small emergency fund is your financial life jacket. Start with $500, then aim for 1 month of essential expenses, then 3 months, and build from there. Keep this money in a high-yield savings account that is insured and pays competitive interest. If you have funds you will not need for 6 to 18 months, consider a short CD ladder to earn a little more while keeping access on a schedule. Automate a tiny transfer on the day your income arrives. Even $20 or $30 per month builds momentum and reduces stress. If you receive a tax refund or small windfall, send a portion to your emergency fund before it disappears into daily spending. Future-proof your plan with basic protections. Review Medicare choices each year so your coverage matches your prescriptions and doctors. Use telehealth when appropriate to reduce travel and small copays. Turn on banking app alerts for low balance, large transactions, and deposits. Use two-factor authentication on important accounts. If you are not applying for a new credit, consider a credit freeze to strengthen identity theft protection. These small steps are powerful fraud prevention tools. Update your legal basics. Make sure your will, medical directive, and financial power of attorney reflect your wishes. Check beneficiaries on accounts, especially after divorce or loss. Clear paperwork saves money and stress later. The 24-hour action plan. Today, print last month's bank and card statements and highlight every repeating charge. Cancel one subscription you did not use. Call your internet or mobile provider and ask for a loyalty rate or senior plan. Open or confirm a high-yield savings account and set a small automatic transfer for the day your income arrives. Place your emergency fund goal on a sticky note and put it where you will see it. These small actions create momentum and confidence. Quick recap. Reset your numbers so you know exactly where you stand. Trim costs in housing, utilities, groceries, insurance, phone, and internet without losing quality of life. Tackle high-interest debt with a simple plan and use nonprofit credit counseling if you need support. Add a light side income that you enjoy and review retirement income strategies with care. Claim every benefit and community resource you qualify for. Rebuild savings in a high-yield savings account. Consider a short CD ladder and protect yourself with fraud prevention and up-to-date legal documents. Most important, be kind to yourself. Starting over is not a failure. It is a brave new chapter. You have a lifetime of experience, and you are already doing the hardest part by taking action. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to Senior Smart Money for weekly guides on financial recovery, budgeting tools, retirement income strategies, identity theft protection, and more. Share this with a friend who could use calm, steady guidance. Next time, we will cover retirement budgeting made easy. You will learn a simple worksheet method and the best free tools for seniors on a fixed income. Thank you for spending your time with me today. I appreciate you and I am rooting for your success. I wish you good health, steady confidence, and a plan that fits your life. Important note: this video is educational. It is not personal financial, legal, or medical advice. Everyone's situation is unique. Please speak with a qualified professional who understands your needs before making big decisions. Take good care, and I will see you in the next video.